You're watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
Right now, we're taking a live look over Hagerstown. We're starting off with the bright sunshine, mainly clear skies, a bit of a breeze, and temperatures are a bit on the colder side as well, especially when you factor in that wind. But at least we're tracking the dry conditions out there. It is quiet, but it's going to become a bit more active later on tonight as we're tracking that system that's impacting parts of the Midwest right now. That'll continue to move its way closer towards our area. That will be bringing us that wintry precipitation that we'll see overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Those temperatures out there for this morning, though, talking about those 30s, talking about those lower 40s farther south. However, we do have a bit of a breeze, especially for our northern zone. Sustained winds right now anywhere between 10 even close to 20 miles per hour, especially over towards Hagerstown and over towards Kaiser. Kaiser, though, we're seeing some stronger wind gusts right now, picking up at least 40 mile per hour gusts there. Elsewhere across our area, we do see a few locations where those gusts are ranging right around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So that's enough to put a bit of chill into the air. So dress for these temperatures is what it feels like as you step out the door. And much of the I-81 corridor, it's feeling like we're into those mid-20s. For the I-95 corridor, feeling more so like we're into the 30s at this point, upper 30s though in the district. Trying to plan out the rest of your Friday. Quiet through much of the day. It is dry. By 4 p.m. we start to notice increasing cloud cover, temperatures mid to upper 40s. It's later on tonight that we will track that system pushing in. It could be as early as 9 p.m. back over towards some of our western zones and then closer towards the district. Thinking closer towards 11 p.m. or a little bit after that. Can even see some areas with some pockets of some moderate to heavy snowfall where we do see some of those deeper blues picking up on the map. That snow continues to fill in through the overnight and into tomorrow morning. And then by about 7, 8 a.m., that's when we start to notice those snow showers really starting to taper and starting to move their way out. So then we will see more drier conditions later on tomorrow morning and into the afternoon, aside from back over towards the mountains where we could still be dealing with a few snow bands moving in from the north and west. In terms of how much snow you can expect overnight and into tomorrow morning, could be waking up to 1 to 2 inches of snow farther south, where we do see more of an influence of a wintry mix at times. So down towards Fredericksburg, southernmost parts of Maryland. 2 to 4 inches of snow around the DC metro area, parts of 66. Then as we head farther north, this is where we could see at least 3 to 5 inches of snow, and that includes Hagerstown, parts of Frederick County, Maryland, and also the I-81 corridor. Then 5 to 8 over towards western Maryland, as well as parts of the Blue Ridge there, those higher elevations. That's where we could see the most in terms of that snowfall with this system. So winter weather advisory, all the areas shaded in purple. Winter storm watch, that is for all those areas shaded in that blue color, and that includes the I-81 corridor. Western Maryland, the Blue Ridge, winter storm warnings. Again, that is for those areas where we do have the most amount of snowfall that is expected. So the system moves out. The rest of your President's Day weekend, it is looking dry. Still a bit breezy though on Sunday. I would say President's Day Monday is the pick of the holiday weekend, considering high temperatures will be near 50 and we see the mainly sun-filled skies and less wind. Then as we get towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and next Thursday, see a warming trend back in the 50s. We're looking at those mid-50s next Thursday, but a chance for some isolated showers. Shanika? All right, Jack.